Welcome everyone. So in our previous video we have seen about the universal law of gravitation, Newton's universal law of gravitation. Okay, so what is the law? Law states as if the two body attracts towards each other with a definite force, then these force will be directly proportional to product of their masses and inversely proportional to distance, square of the distance between the two different object. Okay, so here we have seen that if the distance between two bodies is doubled, the force decreases by a factor of 4. Okay, so this only we have to derive. That means we see how the when the force will increases, sorry, when the distance between two bodies is double, the force will be decreases. And the next condition was if the force if the product of masses will be increases, then force also will be increases. But here we have to prove that if the distance will be double, then force will be decreases by factor of 4. Okay, so let's prove it. So here we have to consider that let m1 and m2 be the mass of two different objects and r be the distance between the two different object. All right, and according to the universal law of gravitation, F is directly proportional to product of m1 m2 upon r square. R square is the distance and m1 m2 are the masses of two objects, or F is equals to g m1 m2 upon r square. And here g is what? It is a universal or a gravitational constant. So here we can write as g is equals to gravitational constant. Okay, gravitational constant. So let's prove this, that if distance between two objects is doubled, okay, it will be double. Then what happened? Distance is double. Then here we will consider r1. R1 is equals to 2r. Okay, distance is double. That means 2r. It will be increases by 2. Then we will put this value. Here we will consider a new force, that is F1. This is a new force. So F1 is equals to M1 M2 upon r square. Okay, r1 square. Here new force is there and new distance is there. So here we will put the r1 value as 2r. Now let's put the value, that is g will be constant. We will not put the value of g. Okay, r1 square is 2r square. So this will be equals to g m1 m2 upon 4r square. Okay, so if we will write like this, we will arrange the terms. F1 is equals to 1 upon 4 and g m1 m2 upon r square. So if we will observe this full term g m1 m2 upon r square, what is this? This is a force. So instead of this we will write force. So our F1 will be equal to 1 upon 4 F. All right, so here we have proved that F1 is equals to F upon 4. That means we have proved that if the distance between the two different objects is doubled, if the distance is double, then the force will be decreases by factor of 4. Okay, so this is how we have to prove this statement. I hope you all have understand this properly. Thank you all of you.